fishy with Erica. I told you we were going to test the nitrates, so I use this medicine dropper, or whatever the thing is called. And I pull the water out of here. Now, see how it grabs the water? I can't use two hands to do all that, so we're going to come over here where I already put water in there. And I'm going to teach you something that nobody teaches you or walks with you through. So, we have the nitrate bottles. Here are the nitrate bottles. Okay? Those are the nitrate bottles. Now, what nobody tells you is how to do the nitrates bottles. Okay? So, what we're going to do to get it started, we're going to shake it for 1 whole minute so we can get an accurate reading. A whole minute, that's long. Alright, we're going to say that's a minute. We got bottle number 1. And it says that you are going to pour 10 drops. Here's 10 drops. Close the bottle, put the lid back on it. I'll put the lid back on the valve. Now, you have to invert it for a little while for the first one. Make sure it has a good mixture. I'm going to pop this lid off, put that valve back in there. I'm going to do bottle number 2. I can get this cap off. I'm showing you step by step, so. And yes, I'm an amateur, so I'm gonna keep my promises still. All right. And really, guys, if you happen to get more water in there than you should, when they say that you should go over that line, the line is really just so that you don't overfill your bottle because of the drops, extra drops that you're putting in there, okay? And what we're going to do, 30 seconds. You do it for 30 seconds and then you let it sit for 5 minutes, okay? We don't have 5 minutes to sit, right? Sit there. Now, right now, it shows that I don't have any nitrates, right? Foam down. You can wash this as, see if it changes colors. Alright, this is the diagram of colors that we're going through. Alright, so we're going to match it up. And look, voila. I'm going to grab the color thing, see the colors. And is it any one of those colors? I would say that it is yellow, like a dark yellow. Let's see, is it going orange? Got a little orange. And looks like it's reading 5 parts or 5 ppm. I don't know what the ppm stand for. But then it could be yellow. There really is no depiction. It looked like it could be between the yellow and the orange. So maybe we don't got nitrates. However, here's the trick. Look at the very top of this line. See the very top of the line? It is orange. So the colors haven't finished changing, but there is top of the line that you can see. The line. See where it's orange? Get it back out here. So there are some nitrates in there. And the orange saying it is 20 parts. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy. Let's compare it with the paper. Is it yellow? Because the top of the line, this is what it's going to turn. And it's orange. And there's nothing orange behind me. It has an orange line of its own. I'm just not finished changing because it takes 5 minutes. And there you have it. We have between 10 to 20 parts. By looking at the top of the line, we just have not given it enough time to change. I didn't think we were going to be in here for 5 minutes. So top of the line is what the color of the bottle is going to be.